Hello everyone and welcome to another weekly weekend reset. Today I have 2 baby showers to get to, so we're gonna do a timed cleaning challenge. I would like to get this done in 45 minutes or less. We'll see if it's possible. While I was preparing, did make a little list here. So first thing we're gonna do is pick music, and then we're going to clean off the couch, pick up floors, chairs, start Cinderella, our robo vacuum, clean off tables and islands, wipe off table and island, wash pots and pans, and then sweep and mop. And that is what we're gonna do today. So starting at the top, pick music, and then clean off couch. All right, so we got pick music, clean off couch done. Now we're gonna move on to picking up the floors and all the chairs off the floors. Now we are done with picking up the floors and the chairs, and we're gonna go ahead and start the robo vacuum. And check. So next we're gonna clean off the table and the kitchen island. All right, got another thing checked off. Clean off table and island. My bad. Now we have clean off table and island, and next thing we need to do is wipe off table and island. I already did the table, so I'm gonna wipe off the island now. We wiped off the table and the island, so let's check that off. Next is to wash pots and pans, and then sweep and mop, and then we'll be done. Obviously, I'll have to put the chairs back, and then we'll be done. So we finished washing pots and pans. All right, let's just go ahead and boop. Last we got sweep and mop. It is 11:56, so we are gonna go over our time, but we're pretty close and we're at the last item. So let's just get it done. Ka-choom. All right, we're all done. We're just gonna check off the last item off the list now. Okay, I'm gonna go get ready for the baby shower. Bye guys, have a great weekend. And guys, check back in next week for the next weekly weekend reset, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! I forgot to put the chairs back, so let's do that real quick. I think you'll see it all. Okay, now we're done. Bye! Hey, I see you. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.